In spite of heavy rain, thousands of protesters, including indigenous people, workers, environmentalists, and social activists, took to the streets of Glasgow on Saturday, denouncing glacial development and threat to climate change within the formal COP26 UN summit. In the city's Kevin Gore Park, the day of protest began with a rally organized by the Fire Brigades Union demanding green jobs and racial justice. The crowd of protesters, including Swedish teen activist Greta Thunberg, then marched through the city centre at a second rally in Glasgow Green, where indigenous community members called for rainforest protection and were urged by producers of food the ecological forms of farming. Asad Rahman, co-director of the COP26 coalition, which brings together British groups campaigning on climate change, said the Glasgow March was just one of more than 300 climate demonstrations around the world on Saturday as UN climate talk hit at their midpoint. Meanwhile, on the sidelines of the COP26 UN climate talks in Glasgow on Saturday, scientists and health officials warned from extreme heat to worsening hunger and water shortages. Accelerating climate change threatens unimaginable health consequences. Experts said a big menu of possible changes, from making cycling and walking easier in cities to altering diets and ramping up renewable energy, could together curb warming, protect health, and make life better for billions of people. Making those shifts happen will require not just investment and efforts to make the health benefits clearer, but also, crucially, bringing on board people who do not normally work on health issues.